Namaste. Welcome to maths class. And this is the third period for grade 7. And it will be helpful for grade 8 also, 9 also, even 10 also. And here we are solving the word problems related to simple interest. Okay, and it goes like this. Simple interest. Person deposited a sum of rupees 10,800 for 2 years in a finance company at the rate of 13% per annum. How much would he get after 2 years? That means we have to find out here. Look here, principal right first of all, time right, rate right, okay, and interest is what, and then after we have to find out amount also, okay. And this, after this, we have to look here, this word answer is compulsory to write here, okay. This is the process, and our answer is coming there 13,608. You know this cancelling, you have to cancel up and down, and remaining number we have to multiply, okay. Now let's move to next one slide. Here the interest on sum of money at 10.5% per annum in 3 years is rupees 1008. What is the sum? Sum means we have to find out principal here. First of all, the given values, okay. These are the given values, okay. And this time we have to mention here in question 1, okay. The interest on sum of money at 10.5% per annum in 3 years. This is the number 1, 3, okay. Here is in 3 years, okay, this one. And here principal is asked to find. Then we have to write principal formula. Principal formula is I into 100 by, there must be upon, okay. Here, like draw this one, okay. And here also upon. And then we have to cancel up and down. Then you will get the value 16 into 100. That means 3,200. 3,200 is the principal, okay. And here you can find out this 10.5. When you how to cancel 10.5? If by multiplying 10 up and down, because after decimal there is one digit. That's why we have to multiply up and down by 10. Then this decimal will be cancelled. Then cancel up and down numbers. Then you will get 16 into 100 into 2. Then you will get 3,200 as the sum of the money. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Here in the next slide, at what okay, at the rate of interest, look here, at the rate of interest a sum of rupees 5,400 amount to rupees, this is principal, this amount, and in 2 whole number 1 by 2, 2 whole number 1 by this mixed fraction, okay, years. Then what you have to do, look here, we have to find out rate. If there is given principal and amount, I have told you before also, we have to find out first interest. Interest means A minus P, okay. And then we have to find out A minus P, that will come. Interest is 945. Then amount, this rate equals I into 100 by P into T. That must be upon here, it will come here, okay. After that, we have to cancel up and down, okay. Then you will get the value 7% per annum. Cancel up and down, okay. We have to cancel up and down by same number, okay. If you cancel up and down by same number, then our value will be 7% per annum. Rate of interest is 7% per annum. That is per year. Classwork, these are the classwork you have to do. You can do this easily. And first question, there is given principal. You can read here first question. What is asked here? Okay, Brown would look here. Lend rupees 8,000 to Arun for 4 years at the rate of interest of 6 whole number 104% per annum. How much would he put the burden? Okay, this must be burden, B-A-R-U-N, okay. You have to correct it. And get after 4 years. And now here asking to find, okay, A sum of rupees 7,000 amounts to rupees, this amount is principal, we have to find interest first, then this time what is the rate of interest, we have to find rate of interest. Okay, and hit solve, write all the values, given values. Okay, then we have to find out amount there. First find interest, interest equals p into t to r upon 100, interest find, then we can find out amount, amount equals to p plus I, then 8,000 plus 2,000, it will come 10,000. Borrower will get rupees 10,000 after 4 years. Okay, and similarly look here, next one, principal is 7,000, amount is this, first will find, time is there, first find interest, interest equals a minus p as I have told, and it will come 3,360, then it will, rate equals I into 100 by p into t. Okay, and cancel up and down number and you will get the values 12% per annum rate of interest. Okay, and here next one, these are the assignment. Okay, these two questions, 5 number and 6 number. We find out here, a businessman borrowed rupees 18,000 from a bank at the rate of 14% per annum for 1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months means you can write 1.5 years, you can write, or you can convert into mixed fraction also. And how much interest is paid, interest find, and also find the total amount paid by the him. That means amount also find. Amount equals to p plus I. And this number 2 person, okay, prasanna, okay, a person, you can tell person deposited a sum of money, okay, in a bank for 5 years at the rate of 11% per annum. Okay, then we have find he gets 6,600 as interest in 5 years. How much money does she, okay, this person, she get, how much money she gets, she, okay, how much money does she deposit in the bank? This is the interest, and this is 5 years time. Okay, and 11% per annum is the interest. Then we have to find out the principal here. Is there how much money does she deposit in the bank? Deposit money is known as principal. We have to find principal in 6 number, this one. Okay, and 7 number, look, what will, okay, when will a sum of, now this 7 number 4, when will a sum of rupees 6,000 amount to this at the rate of 12% per annum? This is amount, this is principal, amount minus principal, interest will come, the rate is 12% per annum, then you can find out time. When will means you have to find out time. Time will come in years. Thank you very much. Stay safe, okay, and healthy. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to stay update of new videos. Okay. And today this much only.